Saraswati Sisukunj Bhagwala Borsad, Standard 5th, Subject EVS, Chapter number 6, Seeds and Seeds. Now I thought that the Seeds and Seeds chapter is so much important for you. So let's quickly revise this chapter. So this video is just for revision of 6th chapter, right? It is so important. Now let me start revision of the chapter. First topic that we started this chapter with the story of Gopal, right? If you remember that Gopal was waiting for some relatives to come and mother said that please soak 2 bowls of chana. When he was soaking, he thought that how this 2 bowls are enough. So he soaked more 2 bowls, means total 4 bowls he soaked. And next morning when mother came, chana were overflowing from the bowl. And that Gopal was surprised, right, that how this happened. So I told you at that time that whenever we are soaking this chana, mung, right, or any pulses, so it will swell up, it will increase in size, and that is why that thing happened, right? So we understand that before cooking this kind of beans, we need to soak it well, right? Okay, after that we understand one activity in which we take 3 bowls, and in all 3 bowls we added 5 chanas, and for all 3 bowls there is a different condition. For first bowl, what was the condition? We have to soak that 5 chana inside the water. In first bowl there will be water. In second bowl there will be a cloth which is wet, and we have to keep that chana inside that wet cloth. In third bowl it was just empty. We just have to keep 5 chana in that bowl, right? And I ask you few questions that in which bowl chana will get water, in which bowl chana will get air, and in which bowl chana will get both air and water, right? So according to that we came on the conclusion that seed needs air, water to germinate, right? Then and then seed will germinate. And after one observation that farmers leave space between 2 seeds, we understand that seed needs air, water, warmth and some space to grow. And after that we define germination, or we can say seed germination, that is a change of a seed into seedling. The change of a seed into seedling is called seed germination. In seed germination we learn that how first primary root will appear, that is your radicle, and after that your shoot will appear, right? And after that it will grow in size. But when this all thing happen, when your seed will get water, air, warmth and proper place to grow, then and then it will happen, right? These seeds are differ in size, shape and color, right? We understood that different vegetables and fruits have seeds in a different amount. Like some fruit and vegetable have 1 seed, some has few seed and some has many seed inside the vegetable or fruit, right? We have seen many different examples, right? Like mango has 1 seed, pear has few seeds, ladyfinger has many seeds. So this many examples we learn here in this chapter, right? Then we learn about insectivorous plant, right? I told you that this few kind of plants which are present on the earth, that they hunt insect, right? They eat insects, so that is why they are called insectivorous plants. 2 examples we study here, that is the pitcher plant and the second one was the Venus flytrap, right? In pitcher plant we have seen the structure of a pitcher plant is a pot like structure, right? That is why it is called pitcher. Pitcher means pot, and there is nectar inside that pot. There is hair like structure also inside the pot, or you can say pitcher. What happens, insects when they are moving around that pitcher plant, there is a sweet smell which is spread by this plant, and this insect will attract towards that pitcher plant. When they will enter inside the pitcher plant, they get trapped, right? They get trapped inside the nectar and they cannot get out from the pitcher plant, right? Okay, second example, that was Venus flytrap, right? It has two flap like structure, means 2 flap like leaves we can say, which is so sensitive. If any insect will sit in the middle of that flap, it will get closed and then it will digest that insect. After that it will reopen. So these 2 kind of examples which are insectivorous plant that we learn in this chapter. After that we came on the topic that is seed dispersal. Seed dispersal means how seeds spread from one place to other place, right? In which first we start that why seed dispersal is important. So I told you, once seeds are formed on a tree or a plant, right, they need to disperse. Why? If they all will fall near to the mother plant or a parent plant, they will not get enough place to grow, right, enough water and warmth and air to grow, because they are so close to each other, right? If you are sitting so close to each other, you will not be comfortable, right? You will not get proper place to sit. Same thing with the seeds. If they all will fall near to the mother plant, they will not get enough place to grow, right? As you have seen in the video that they will swell up first, the coat will break, and then small root will come out, stem will come out, and then it will appear as a big plant. But there are many seeds, so each seed cannot be a plant if they are sitting together, if they are falling together, right? So that is why seed need to be dispersed. Now here, so the definition of seed dispersal is the movement of a seed away from mother plant. You can write parent plant also. The movement of a seed away from mother plant is known as seed dispersal, right? Different seeds have different structures. Some seeds have spines, some seeds have hooks on them, some seeds have fibers, some seeds have wings. So this all different kind of seeds get dispersed in a different way, right? We have some agents, we talk about some agents like animals, wind, water, explosion. So these are 4 agents that we discuss in this chapter that they help in seed dispersal. Even in animal we talk about human being also, right? So if we start with first structure of a seed, that is hooks and spines. There are 2 seeds which have spines and hooks. That is first one, Scandium seeds and devil's claws. Now Scandium seeds, if you will observe, it has spines on them, and the next one is devil's claws, it has hooks on them. Now what will happen with these seeds? This seed will stick with feather of a bird or a, you can say, fur of a animal, and then they will travel away with that kind of birds and animals, right? Secondly, we can talk about animals, that many kind of animals like squirrels and mice, they eat fruits with their seeds, and then they will move, right? They are not being at one place, and they will leave that seeds as waste of their body. So this is how they help in seed dispersal. If we talk about second kind of structure which is in the seeds, that is fiber and wings. Seeds which has fiber like milkweed seeds and wings like Indian almond seeds, those both seed dispersed by wind, right? They are so light in weight, like parachute. Have you seen parachute, how it flies in the sky, right? So they can also fly with the direction of the wind, and they move from one place to other place. The third one, that is water. Now look, some seeds are there which are hollow from inside, and they can float on the water. And let me give you one example, that is coconut, right? Have you seen coconut, right? It can float on the water. So this coconut, right, it can flow and remains afloat for many days on the water. So other example also we have water lily, right? Yellow water lily, mangroves. So this kind of plants and their seeds will disperse from water. Look, there is a waves which created inside rivers and oceans, right? So with that waves, they will travel from one land to other land, from one place to other place, and when they will get enough warmth, water, air, so they will grow on that place, right? The fourth one, that is explosion, in which when the fruit, the skin of the fruit or any kind of beans, we can say, it will dry up, right? Have you seen green bean has a green skin? Dry up, it will opens, and whatever beans which are present inside it will thrown out from that beans, right? See here video, right? You can see here in the video the seeds are exploding out from the fruit, and after that it will disperse from that place to other place, and when they will get enough warmth, water and air, they will germinate over that place. Okay, so what is benefit of this seed dispersal? So I told you that if you are eating fruits and vegetables, just think that are they originally from your country, right? We discussed in last video that there are many fruits and vegetables which are not originally from India, right? We have seen examples like potatoes, tomatoes and green chili. They are from South America, right? Some more examples are there like cabbage and peas. They are from Europe. One more example, ladyfinger and coffee beans. They are from Africa, right? I told you about fruits and vegetables which are basically from India. Do you remember? Let's take a look here. Mango, second one banana, third one lemon, fourth one eggplant means brinjal. So these are fruits and vegetables which are originally from India. Okay, so let's move towards exercise. First question, give two examples, right? See, insectivorous plants. So we have two examples of insectivorous plants, that are pitcher plant and Venus flytrap. So let's write it. Okay, second question here, seed dispersed by wind. So we have two seeds, right? First one, that is milkweed seed, and second one Indian arm seed. So let's write it. Milkweed and Indian arm seed. Now see here, third one, seed dispersed by water. Here also we have two examples, that is coconut and water lily. Okay, now see here, fourth one, seed dispersed by animals. So here also we have two examples, that is xanthium seeds and devil's claw. So let's write it. Okay, now see that side. Fifth number, seed dispersed by explosion. So two example, that is lady's finger and peas. Okay, now see here, sixth one, seed used as spices. So two examples, mustard seeds and sesame seeds. Okay, mustard seeds and sesame seeds. Right? Okay. Now, seven number, seed used as pulses. Seeds used as pulses. So you can write chana, mung. Right, so there is no English name. This is a general name which is given in textbook. Right, in story also we called it chana. So here it is written like that. Eighth number, seeds used as food grains. Seeds used as food grains. So we write rice and wheat. Okay, just take a look of answers. So let's move to the next question, that is write true and false. First one, all plants have originated in India, right? So we all have information that many fruits and vegetables we are eating which is not originated in India. So it will be false. See next one, potato is an insectivorous plant. Potato is an insectivorous plant? No, right? So here we'll write false. See next one, when a seed germinate, the radical grows first. When seed will germinate, what is radical? Primary root. So yes, first primary root will appear. So it is true. See next one, seed dispersal is beneficial for the seedling. Seed dispersal means spreading of the seed. Is it beneficial? Yes, if it will get dispersed, then they will get enough water, warmth and air, right? So yes, it will be true. Okay, so let's go for define the following. First one, seed germination. So let's see answer. Answer is the change of a seed into a seedling, right? The change of a seed into a seedling, when seed will convert into seedling, right? That is called seed germination, right? When seed will changes into seedling, means that primary radical will appear, right? At that condition, that is called seed germination. Let's see next one, that is seed dispersal, right? So let's check answer. So answer is the movement of a seed away from the mother plant, right? When seed will move away from its parent plant, or you can say mother plant, that movement, right, is known as seed dispersal. Otherwise you can write is called seed dispersal. Please check your answers. Okay, so let's move towards give reasons for the following. First one, dispersal of seed is essential. Why dispersal of seed is essential? Essential means important, right? So let's see answer. Answer is seeds must find a proper place to grow. If all seeds fall near mother plant, the seedling will not have enough place to grow. So seed dispersal is essential, right? As I explained you in the theory that if seed will fall near the mother plant, all seeds will be together, right, and they will not get enough place to grow. That is why this seed dispersal is essential. Let's go for second number question. Some plants trap and eat insects. Some plants trap and eat insects, right? Two examples we study. So why they do so? So let's see answer. Some plants trap and eat insects because they grow in soil that is poor in nutrients, right? This kind of plants grow in some kind of soil which is not full of nutrients, right? They have some nutrients which is less in them, right? So that is why they have to trap insect and they have to digest that, so they can get all nutrients from those insects. Let's move in the third question, that is a seed kept in the refrigerator does not germinate. Seed will, if you will keep seed inside the refrigerator, it will not germinate. So why it is so? Let's write answer. A seed kept in refrigerator does not germinate because it does not get enough warmth, because the temperature inside the refrigerator is so low, or we can say it is cold, so it will not get warm and it will not germinate. Let's see fourth number give reason. A seed kept in airtight container does not germinate. If you will keep seeds inside airtight container, then also it will not germinate. So let's see answer. Answer is a seed kept in airtight container does not germinate because it does not get enough air. It is airtight, means there will be no air circulation inside the container and seeds will not get enough air. That is why it will not germinate. Now see five number. Some plants grow without seeds. I told you potatoes, rose, right? There are few plants which grow without seed. So why it is like that? Let's see answer. Answer is some plants grow without seeds because some plants grow from their own body parts, right? They grow from their own body parts, like potato, right? If you will cut that potato and if you will keep it inside the soil, if you will give proper water, enough warmth, it will get an air, so it will germinate. Now that potato is a stem of a plant and it will grow as a new plant. So we can say they grow from their own body parts, right? Okay. Now see sixth number. Farmers leave space while sowing seeds, right? Farmers leave some space between two seeds. So why it is like that? Let's see answer. Farmers leave some space while sowing seeds because seedling needs enough space to grow, right? That is why they are leaving space. I told you that seeds require enough warmth, water and space to grow. Otherwise they cannot grow as a proper plant. That is why farmers are leaving space between two seeds, right? So just take a look of all answers. I hope you understand all topics which is included in revision, right? Please write your worksheet carefully. Thank you.